Sentence 1.
Take me to the doctor.
Take me to the doctor.
Sentence 2.
Did you boil the milk?
Did you boil the milk?
Sentence 3.
I have been here since evening.
I have been here since evening.
Sentence 4.
Even though it was evening.
Even though it was evening.
Sentence 5.
I am at home for 5 days.
I am at home for 5 days.
Sentence 6.
I am sick of this idler boy.
I am sick of this idler boy.
Sentence 7.
He called me fat.
He called me fat.